Alright, picture this. Craving that tasty takeout-style chicken chow mein, but you want to whip it up at home just for two? Let's make it happen. First, grab your ingredients. 2 boneless chicken thighs, a handful of chow mein noodles, a bell pepper, half an onion, a couple of garlic cloves, some soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and a sprinkle of green onions. Start by slicing your chicken thighs into thin strips. Thinner cooks faster and soaks up the sauce. Drizzle a little soy sauce over them and toss. Let them chill while you prep. Slice the bell pepper, slice the onion, mince the garlic. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the chow mein noodles according to the package, usually just a couple minutes. Drain them and toss with a dash of sesame oil so they don't stick. Heat up a splash of oil in a big pan or wok. Medium-high is perfect. Drop in your chicken. Give it a quick stir-fry until it's just cooked through, about 3 minutes. Scoop it out and set aside. Add the onions, add the peppers, add the garlic. Stir-fry till they're just starting to soften, about 2 minutes. Now, throw your chicken back in. Add the cooked noodles. Pour 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Pour 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add a half teaspoon of sesame oil. Crank up the heat and mix everything together. You want those noodles to soak up all that saucy, glossy goodness. Give it a taste. Add a splash more soy sauce if you're feeling bold. When everything's piping hot and glistening, take it off the heat. Pile it onto 2 plates. Scatter some green onions on top and boom, homemade chicken chow mein for 2, ready in under 20 minutes. So next time you're tempted to call for takeout, you know you can nail it at home. Try it out, make it your own, and trust me, you'll want to do this again.